Momotaro.
Welcome back to MOMOTARO videos. And Momotaro is attacking a hand. Ouch, that looks like it hurts. But he's getting hurt now. Maybe he'll just cuddle. He's going crazy again. Ouch, not the feet. Oh, now he's attacking a hand again. That's not good. Oh, he's getting pet. That's happy. Oh no, there he goes again. Oh, not the leg again. Why does he bite so much? I wonder why he bites so much. Maybe because he's in a playful mood on that day? I guess so. Thanks for watching, and his name is Momotaro. Bye-bye.